There's a dowel.
I don't know. Come and do it. I don't care.
Yeah, your generation, I tell you. Your generation don't know how to finish a job. Look at that.
Your generation doesn't even know how to start it, let alone finish it. At least we got it started.
Yeah, you guys need the real muscles to finish it off. Your generation, whatever.
Whatever's right. Anyways, guys, we're hanging out in the shop today, bonding. Again, I hear noises emanating out of the shop. What in the What the are you doing?
Making a scrap bin
Out of what?
out of this old Dodge. One sec, check it out.
You know, there's people that would say the only thing these Dodges are good for is a scrap.
Well, this one has got the full leather scrap bin.
Not telling you what to do or anything, but the headliner right up.
No, not yet. You know what that's worth? Look at all of that room for scrap. Start throwing her in.
I tell you what, I can't believe we're gonna finally clean this yard up.
Dude, look how much scrap. You probably fit 65 bucks in there, just the metal. Don't smash the back window.
Don't! You know, what are you doing? Don't be making a mess. Quit my Sawzall blade while you're at it. Quit wrecking my Here, cut this off here before somebody gets snagged on it.
Oh, our first piece.
There you go. I tell you what, Dodge owners, if your girlfriend ever gets mad at you,
Catches you with your sister's boyfriend.
don't ever make sure she has access to your Sawzall. What in the are you doing now? Is that really necessary?
Nope, none of it is.
Hey, this strap of mine right here that's in here,
Yeah, that's you gotta stay in there.
you didn't want to pull a thing out because you're never going to get it out of there. And you
You're
pull
right.
it full.
Jesus Christ.
Wrecking my
I just cut the strap and get someone sewed back together. And just for the record,
You can always tell who is whose when your kid's using it, eh?
no,
Wrecking my
this is my stuff.
Yeah, like it is.
You can have it though.
Oh, thanks.
Why are you holding your pants up?
My pants will fall now.
Alright.
That Dodge, it should be have the. There's our scrap that's going in there.
Okay.
Anyways, what are we doing today? We're cleaning the goddamn yard up a little bit. You, not we, you.
I have a serious problem.
What is it?
This is the wrong truck cab.
Anyways, guys, just a little bit of we're doing in the shop today. What are you doing?
I was gonna ask you the same thing, buddy. Why don't you come over here for a second? Why don't you come check what I'm doing?
What are you going to suck me into doing that I don't want to do is what I want to know.
Oh, you're dad.
When's this piece of leaving my shop?
Just got in here. Don't even play that.
It's been in here for 3 days.
3 days.
3 days it's been in here for.
No, it has not.
How long has it been here for?
I pulled it yesterday.
That's 5. It's been in here for 3 days at least.
When did I go to counts with Brad?
I have no idea, but what are we doing?
No. You are trying to call me a liar. No.
What do you want me to do for nothing that I don't want to do?
Oh, what is it like?
Yeah.
What is it like?
Yeah,
I need you to grab this side. Hey! This
Why is
side.
there in the back seat of this thing?
Because I switched it over.
You couldn't wait till you got it in there before you put all the back here. What's this hose for?
It's vacuum hose. Just leave it alone. Don't open that either. Actually, pass that thing here. 15 bucks.
Oh yeah, this is
The other side. Do you know what this?
You told me to go to this side.
So that side.
You didn't say that
You're
side.
packing your fat ass in the truck. I didn't think so.
She sat. Watch my fingers. I'm doing this the hard way, you know that, eh?
Just hold on.
Is it heavy?
Hold on. I don't know what to do next. Stop. Don't. You push you right in here?
Yeah. This is all there, what? Here, how about we do it the normal way? Like set this down, like this, and get in there.
Oh. Like this.
Yeah. Like that. And these seats?
Yeah. I already got them. Don't be up the leather.
Oh yeah. Leather is pleather. Comes from a plastic cow.
Horse cow? Come on, we'll lift the
Well, the headrest might work.
lift up thing. There you go.
Pinching my finger.
What's it going up?
I don't know what it's caught on, but I'm not telling you.
Yeah, it's calling those.
Lift it up. This is caught on a lack of interest.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2. That's it. There's no way.
No way, what?
Look at it now. It's so.
I-
Look at that.
The power seats are stuck right in the very front position. This is going to be interesting how that works out.
Okay.
Okay.
Get out of there. Yeah. Quit with everything. You don't know what's in everything. Can you stop touching things?
Looking for my that you steal off me. I'm good. You got that?
Give me both small one.
Give me both small one.
Again.
What in the Why would you go for ground off of that bolt?
It worked. See the problem?
Yeah, the problem is you doing it.
I just need you.
For what?
What the is that hit?
Sitting on the console?
No.
Yeah, let's close to the right holes where it's not back here. Everything's lined up here.
I know, but Dad, over here it's like. That's what it is.
What is it? Well, it's obviously teetered on something now.
Yeah.
What's it caught on?
Sakes.
What's it caught on?
I don't know, something in the center. Can you unthread those 2 bolts, please? Just unthread the 2 bolts. I'm gonna come over there and thread
It's
them out.
something underneath there. Is it?
Avery, it's the airbag control module. Can you just unscrew the 2 bolts, please, with your fingertips? That's all I want from you.
You got them so tight on there now they won't come undone.
Not tight, you just got them wedged. That's stupid. Okay.
See what's in there, guys. Here. Right there.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, we gotta go down. We have to go down. Your side sitting normal?
Nope, it's got to come my way.
Yeah, is that meant for you?
Yeah.
Actually though, like the inside holes lined up?
Yeah. I think so.
There's a dowel.
I don't know. Come and do it. I don't care.
Yeah, your generation, I tell you. Your generation don't know how to finish a job. Look at him.
Your generation doesn't even know how to start it, let alone finish it. At least we got it started.
Yeah, you guys needed the real muscles to finish it off. Your generation, whatever.
Whatever's right. Anyways, guys, we're hanging out in the shop today, bonding.
It looks stupid, actually, to be honest.
What?
It actually looks stupid. It doesn't? Look at black interior. Okay, jump in. I should show you how good these seats are. Come on. Oh, buddy. Now these are the bee's knees.
Is that seat in the right position for you to sit in?
It is, actually. Isn't that comfortable? Recline a little bit if you want, eh? That's it. It's not bad, eh? What do you think of it? Way more comfy, eh? Look how nice the center console is. Just listen. What do you think, though, honestly? These seats sit up higher and everything, too, eh? Here's some I'm not kidding, actually. I'm being serious. Look how nice this leather is. Is it not nicer?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Would you ride it now?
No.
Still got the.
Like you're driving. Your driving sucks.
Okay,
The seats are better.
Was it worth it or no?
It was worth it. The seats are better.
The seats are way better.
The color, they're not that bad.